Hey, tech enthusiasts, ready to discover the top printers that could revolutionize the way you print at home or in the office? Trust me, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down the top 5 best printers on the market right now. Be sure to check out the links to all these amazing products in the description below. And for even more in-depth reviews and comparisons, head over to techadvice.com. You don't want to hear about these. Number 5. The Brother MFC-L9610CDN Enterprise Color Laser All-in-One Printer is a powerhouse designed for businesses that demand high performance. This bad boy prints up to 42 pages per minute and scans both sides of a page at an insane 104 images per minute. Talk about a time saver. It's perfect for a busy office where every second counts. What's more, the Brother MFC-L9610CDN doesn't just stop at speed. It offers professional-grade color output, giving you vibrant colors and sharp blacks for all your reports, brochures, and presentations. Imagine handing out those vivid, high-quality documents at your next meeting. You'll definitely stand out. And let's talk about value. This printer comes with high-yield toner cartridges that can print up to 6,500 pages in black and 5,000 in color. Plus, if you need more, there are options for even higher-yield cartridges to keep your costs low. It's like getting a high-end sports car, but with the fuel efficiency of a hybrid. Security is top-notch, too. With its triple-layer security features, you can rest easy knowing your documents and data are safe. It even includes an NFC card reader for easy badge authentication, perfect for offices that handle sensitive information. But it's not just about the internals. This printer has a 520 sheet capacity tray and an additional 100 sheet multi-purpose tray. You can expand it to hold up to 1,620 sheets with optional trays, meaning less time wasted on paper refills. Number 4. Next up is the Epson EcoTank Pro ET5850. This printer is all about efficiency and cost savings. With its supersized ink tanks, you can print up to 6,000 pages before needing a refill. That's right, no more tiny, expensive cartridges, just easy, affordable printing. Print shop quality output with speeds up to 25 pages per minute in both black and color means no more waiting around. It's perfect for those high volume print jobs. And with Epson's Durabright pigment-based ink, your documents will look crisp and professional every time. Connectivity options are a dream. It features USB, LAN, and Wi-Fi, making it super versatile for any office setup. Plus, the 4.3-inch touchscreen makes navigation a breeze. It's like having a tech-savvy assistant right at your fingertips. The savings don't just stop at ink. The EcoTank Pro ET5850 has a high energy efficiency rating, meaning lower power bills. So, it's good for your wallet and the environment. Win-win! And let's not forget about the smart features. Voice-activated printing allows you to manage tasks hands-free. Imagine saying, "Print my report," and it's done. The future is now, folks. Number 3. The Epson EcoTank ET2800 is a standout for home users who want affordability without sacrificing quality. This stylish little printer does it all: print, scan, and copy with ease. It's the ideal basic home printer that's simple enough for anyone to use. With its innovative cartridge-free printing, just one set of ink bottles can print up to 4,500 pages in black and 7,500 in color. That's the equivalent of about 90 ink cartridges. Talk about savings. Plus, it comes with up to 2 years of ink right in the box. Imagine barely ever having to think about ink again. Epson's micro piezo heat-free technology delivers sharp text and impressive color photos on almost any paper type. Whether you're printing homework or holiday photos, this little machine won't disappoint. The built-in scanner and copier are super handy for everyday tasks, no more running to the local copy shop, and the color display makes navigation and document copying a breeze. Reliability is key, and with a 2-year limited warranty, you can be confident this printer will handle your family's needs. It's stress-free printing at its best. Number 2. Coming in at number 2, is the HP DeskJet 2855E. Known for being one of America's most trusted printer brands, this compact all-in-one is perfect for home use. Whether you're printing to-do lists, letters, or recipes, the DeskJet 2855E is your go-to. It offers impressive print speeds of up to 7.5 pages per minute in black and 5.5 in color. And with a 60-sheet input tray, it's ready for all your day-to-day tasks. The flatbed scanner makes scanning and copying documents a breeze, simplifying your life. Wireless printing is a snap with HP's most reliable Wi-Fi connection. It automatically detects and resolves connectivity issues so you stay connected without the hassle. Plus, with the HP Smart app, you can print, scan, or copy right from your smartphone. It's like having a mini office in your pocket. And here's a sweet deal. When you activate HP Plus at setup, you get 3 months of instant ink included. Never worry about running out of ink again. Just relax and let the ink come to you. This printer is designed to work seamlessly with HP cartridges, ensuring the best quality prints. It's a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a reliable, easy-to-use home printer. Number 1, drumroll please, the top spot goes to the HP OfficeJet Pro 9125E. This all-in-one printer is perfect for small to medium-sized businesses that need professional quality color documents. Think presentations, brochures, flyers. This printer handles it all with ease. With blazing print speeds of up to 22 pages per minute in black and 18 in color, your office will be running smoothly and efficiently. The upgraded features include fast color printing, fax auto two-sided printing and scanning, and with a 250-sheet input tray, you'll spend less time refilling paper. Its dual-band Wi-Fi keeps you connected reliably, and the HP Smart app lets you print, scan, copy, or fax from your smartphone. You'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Security is top-notch, as expected from HP. This printer uses cartridges with HP chips to prevent any issues with non-HP cartridges, ensuring your printer stays in top condition. And let's not forget the savings. The OfficeJet Pro 9125E includes 3 months of instant ink. You'll get ink delivered before you run out, and after the trial, you can save up to 50% on ink costs. It's a smart choice for any business. Thank you for joining me on this countdown of the top 5 best printers. I hope this helps you find the perfect printer for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And make sure to visit techidevice.com for more detailed reviews and comparisons. All the product links are in the description below. Happy printing, everyone.